Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 right here, even if you have a different year, but that generation video may be helpful. Now, if you guys check the relays for the radiator fan, everything's fine, it's still not working, I'll recommend to check the fuses. You have fuses for low speed radiator fan, for high speed radiator fan. The videos will be on our channel Free Car Repair. Check it out. The fuse box is located right under the hood on your F-150. You can see that's the engine, that's the radiator fan right here, the radiator right above it, that's the radiator, that's the fuse box above the radiator, guys. Right here you open that cover, and when you open it you will see your fuses facing that way. You will be on this side, that will be towards the windshield side. Let's first explain why it's important to test fuses in relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. These Ford Motor Company relays could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere or driving through a small town, so I'll recommend you guys keep some in your glove box as spares. You only have 2-3 different kinds of relays, so get some as spares. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. The radiator fan control relay, the main relay, guys, will be that huge relay right here. But you have two more. Okay, that's the main relay right here. Then you have relay number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's for high speed radiator fan. And then you have that one in the corner here, that's for low speed radiator fan right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.